2 Anthropic launches in 2 days. Today it is Claude Design. Real users already saved around 10 times the prompts. The community is split. Is it actually useful or just another slick demo? Let us find out. 2 Flagship launches in 48 hours. Yesterday, Opus 4.7. Today, Claude Design from Anthropic Labs. The community is pushing back on the pace, and honestly, fair point. But the real question is not how fast Anthropic is shipping. It is whether Claude Design actually holds up outside the demo. Over the next 5 minutes, here is what it does, who is using it, and what people are saying. Here is what Anthropic actually shipped. Claude Design is a new product from Anthropic Labs that lets you build prototypes, slides, and one-pagers just by talking to Claude. The announcement tweet already hit around 680,000 views, so clearly people are paying attention. It is powered by Claude Opus 4.7, their most capable vision model, and it is rolling out as a research preview on the Pro, Max, Team and Enterprise plans. Research preview means it is early, and you should expect some rough edges. And if you caught yesterday's video, this is the exact same model, Claude Opus 4.7. I walked through the new effort, tier and vision boost in that one, and now 24 hours later, Anthropic is already shipping a brand new flagship feature on top of it. Link to that video is below if you missed it. But features on a slide are one thing, proof is another. So here is what Claude Design can actually do. First, brand integration. Point it at your codebase or your design files and it builds a design system for you. Colors, typography, components, all consistent. Second, input flexibility. Text prompts, image uploads, Word, PowerPoint, Excel files, and a web capture tool that pulls elements from any site. Third, refinement. Inline comments on specific elements, direct text editing and sliders for spacing, color and layout. Fourth, collaboration. Share at the org level, private, view only or edit, and multi-user conversations with Claude. And fifth, export. Canva, PDF, PowerPoint, standalone HTML or a clean handoff bundle straight into Claude Code. Anthropic also published a 1:20 demo video on launch day. It shows the whole flow. You start with a chat. Claude generates a canvas and you refine it until it looks right. If you want to see the full workflow in motion, the link is in the description. For now, here is what that canvas experience actually looks like when you chain a few prompts together. Over 1,000 builders. Daily hangouts, weekly workshops and a community that actually ships together. 3 full courses. The agentic coding course, 18 modules. Master the systems that make AI coding repeatable. The AI agent mastery course, build production agents with N8N and Python. And the Second Brain Bootcamp, 8 modules, build your own personal AI system from scratch. Link in description, 10% off. Back to the video. 3 companies vouched for it. Here is what they said. Brilliant. The learning platform said their most complex pages used to take around 20 prompts to recreate in other tools. In Claude Design, they only needed 2. That is around 10 times fewer prompts for the same output. Datadog's product manager said it takes a rough idea to a working prototype before anyone leaves the room. That replaces weeks of back and forth. And Canva CEO Melanie Perkins confirmed the partnership. You can hand a Claude Design draft straight into Canva and it becomes a fully editable collaborative design. That is a serious vote of confidence. The community was less polished and honestly way more interesting. The fans called it one of the most powerful Claude features to date and said they are already using it. But here is the sharpest critique, and it is a legit feature gap. There is no way to sketch a layout or drop in a template. You have to describe every interface in words. For diagrams and UI ideas, a quick drawing is often faster than a paragraph. Others pushed back on the shipping pace. 2 flagship launches in 2 days feels like a lot, and not everyone thinks that is a good thing. And then there is the market take. Anthropic just entered vibe coding for non-developers. So how do you actually try it? Claude Design is included with Claude Pro, Max, Team and Enterprise plans. No extra charge. Usage counts against your existing plan limits, and if you hit them, you can buy extra. Enterprise teams need an admin to turn it on. And the URL is claude.ai/design. So here is where we land. Brilliant's 2022 prompt drop is real. Datadog's weeks to minutes is real. But the drawing input gap is real too. Now the question is yours. Would you actually use this? Is it the tool you have been waiting for, or is it too early? Drop a comment, and if you want more breakdowns like this on the day news drops, you know what to do.